Now, former England batsman Roland Butcher believes that the current restructuring of regional cricket could cause more harm than good. Due to financial constraints, Cricket West Indies opted to restructure the recent regional four-day championship, where teams contested three-match concurrent bilateral series based on 2025 seedings. Speaking on the Mason Guest show in Barbados on Tuesday, Butcher, who is recognized as being the first black cricketer to represent England, said the reduction in games for the first-class season doesn't just affect the development of players, but limits their opportunities.
Our cricket is going to get worse. Just take a look at our cricket. Any first-class season where you are playing 3 games, you cannot compete internationally on those. And the other problem you're going to have, why say our cricket is going to get worse, because it's going to be a knock-on effect. You know, in order to get a work permit in England, you have to play 5 first-class matches a year. So there's not a player in the Caribbean that can get a work permit.
The new format saw the Jamaica Scorpions, Leeward Islands Hurricanes and Windward Islands Volcanoes playing only 3 matches for the campaign. The Trinidad and Tobago Red Force played 4 matches, while the finalists, Barbados Pride and Guyana Harpy Eagles, played 5 each.